This is one of the wildlife I found while we are working here in the wheat field. We are mowing wheat, so we found it. Actually, the big one is about a meter long. So this is its baby, and we guess that there are still
two more here.
There are two more here. I can't remember the name in English, but we call it in Arabic nemes. So its mother left them escaping as it was a bit afraid that we are working, but we decided to leave this part of wheat to keep the babies alive, and the mother comes back to them. And my brother holds another one over there. Look at that, that's fantastic. How's it going? Getting to hide. It's getting to hide in my elbow. And this is the third one. Wow. Perfect. Another one. We found actually today two. And probably that the mother brought them yesterday to hide them in another part of the field. For this reason, I brought this one to hide it with his brother here under this pile of weeds.